Hello everyone, Simon here from creativetradingsystems.com, making this a small video about New Year, the beginning of the new year, the first day of the new year, January 1st, 2023. So very, very happy New Year to all of you. And I wish you all the best in this year, especially as far as the trading is concerned. Let me show you a few things here. Everybody make new resolution for the new year. Set new goals and all of that. So my goal is to take my trading to the next level, right? So if you are a good trader, you should do the same thing. So what you can do is that let me show you last couple of weeks what I've been doing is let me go here first. I've been recording the London session, especially where I take the entries, the whole session, right? And I'm showing step by step when I'm recording the entry, how I hold the trade, how I determine the target, and when I close the trade and the date, and the whole thing is recorded in these videos. So for last 2 weeks, right there, I've read, date by date. You can see here. This is the December 30th. This is December 30th. This is 29, 28, 27. This is 23, 22, but 26 was the holiday, right? So the 4 days of this week, the current week, the last week actually, and 5 days of this, the week before that, starting from December 19. Every single thing is recorded there. My bad trades, my good trades. And after that, whatever the pippage came out, the positive, I made the chart for you. Let me show it to you. This is the chart is the Monday, December 19, 170 pip, one day. Tuesday, December 20, 260 pip. Wednesday, December 21st, 200. Then followed, the next day is 170. The Friday is 80. Total for that week is 780. Okay, all recorded. Watch the videos. Tuesday, this, 860 pip last week. 5 days, right? So everything is recorded in those videos if you watch. Okay. So if you go and then you watch, and if you like what you saw, you want to be a part of it, you want to learn how to do this year and be a part of this group, then go to my website, which is right here, and subscribe. You can subscribe on a monthly basis, but if you want to learn fast and become a master of this strategy and this whole Forex game, not only include, it's like Forex market. I mean, this system involves 3 or 4 things. When you learn everything, that becomes a system. It's not just buy, sell signals, right? So when you do that, you become master of taking anything, any trade in any instrument. For example, let me see. Yeah, look, this is, for example, DAX, right? German DAX. Look at this entry here, entry here, entry here, big trades, right? S&P 500. Look at that. Entry here, entry here, entry here, entry here, and keep going down. When it goes up, just like that, it goes up, on the top. See, beautiful entry, and boom, it's gone. And let me see, NASDAQ. Look at this baby here. How many entries you have, right? And this is from December 29. The whole thing is December 29. So many entries and so much to do in this with this system, right? So yeah, so you can go on my website and subscribe. And like I said, that if you want to become a master of this strategy and the system and the whole trading business, then I suggest that you go and sign up for one-on-one coaching. I have few spots left, and they're going to be filled very quickly because January, and so many people are on vacation, and they told me already that they're going to sign up. So if you want to be a part of this and learn this way, then book your spot quickly because I can do only so many in a day, right? 4 or 5 1-hour session, talking, and my throat gives up. Okay, and I need a rest. So that's how it is. So yeah, and not only that, I mean, this one-on-one is like 10-hour live coaching from me directly in person, no recorded videos, right? I will be talking to you in person, 10 hours, and teaching A to Z, every single thing Forex has to offer. But not only that, but you will be a part of my group for one whole year. The membership is $77 a month. You will get it free for the whole year, right? You will be a part of it. And you will be a part of my Telegram group, where I constantly, every night, post setups and trades. The charts, the setups, you see this? And then what happened to that? Later on, all these charts and, setups and all of that. So you will be a part of my group membership for a whole year, Telegram for a whole year. All right. So this is it. Just wanted to show and tell you guys that this is, you can set up your goal for this year, learn the right thing from the beginning. If you learn the wrong thing, it's going to be, it becomes very hard to erase that and then, put new set of rules in your mind. So if you start the right way, you learn the right thing, and then you do it the right way. And that's it. And like I said, just go on this. This is very important to see. For you to see this, watch this first, and then make the decision. Okay? 100% satisfaction here first. If you get it, you feel like, yeah, okay, this is what you want, sign up and take it from there. All right? So just wanted to show you guys, and heads up a little bit. And also, once again, very, very happy new year to all of you. And I wish you all the best of the best trading year of year 2023. Bye for now, and talk to you guys later. This is, by the way, this is one of the trades. See this? This is 200 pip, one trade. Just entry here, and then, and you watch, if you watch all those videos, you'll see the 100 pip, 80 pip, 120 pip, 70 pip, not a problem. So many trades. All right. So bye for now, and talk to you guys later.